Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take a mixed grammar and vocabulary quiz. Let's begin. Question 1. Please pass the sugar to Dash. The correct option is A. Me. Please pass the sugar to me. Question 2. Which word is an antonym of expand? The correct option is C. Contract. Question 3. Adam and Natasha dashed to the party last night. The correct option is A. Went. Adam and Natasha went to the party last night. Question 4. Which of the following is a noun? The correct option is B. Happiness. Question 5. She bought dash apple from the market. The correct option is B. Anne. She bought an apple from the market. Question 6. I have never dashed to America. The correct option is C. Been. I have never been to America. Question 7. Which of the following is an example of an adverb? The correct option is A. Quickly. Question 8. What is the past participle of the verb climb? The correct option is C. Climbed. Question 9. The book is dash the table. The correct option is A. On. The book is on the table. Question 10. The plural of child is. The correct option is B. Children. Question 11. Sarah dash playing the piano since she was a child. The correct option is B. Has been. Sarah has been playing the piano since she was a child. Question 12. Which word is an antonym of lucid? The correct option is C. Confused. Question 13. The baby dashed when the phone rang. The correct option is A. Was sleeping. The baby was sleeping when the phone rang. Question 14. He dashed lunch when I called him. The correct option is C. Was having. He was having lunch when I called him. Question 15. By the time she arrived, the train dash. The correct option is A. Had left. By the time she arrived, the train had left. Question 16. If he dashed harder, he would have passed the test. The correct option is B. Had studied. If he had studied harder, he would have passed the test. Question 17. Neither the teacher nor the students dash in the classroom. The correct option is B. Were. Neither the teacher nor the students were in the classroom. Question 18. Which of the following is a conjunction? The correct option is C. Because. Question 19. Which word is a synonym for calm? The correct option is A. Peaceful. Question 20. They dash already finished their homework before dinner. The correct option is C. Had. They had already finished their homework before dinner. That's it for today's video. I hope that you learned something new. I'll see you next time. Bye.